Okay, so today we're gonna go in with the Lime Crime Prelude Chroma palette. It's very pretty. And yeah, I'm just gonna play around with these colors. Super pigmented. I always love the Lime Crime palettes. I feel like they are worth the money. The shimmers are great, of course, but the mattes are also really good. So just gonna play around and see what we come up with. And yeah, I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Camo concealer, the 16-hour one, on my lid to prime before putting the eyeshadow. Alright, so first we're gonna go in with this color. It's called Olympia. It's just a bare nude color. We're gonna use that as a base for the rest of the shadows. So this is just gonna help the shadows glide on. I like to sweep that over the crease. And I like to kind of keep going up to this part right here where where it hits the nose bridge. And do the same on the other side. And I'm gonna go ahead and deepen the crease just a little bit more. You could take any bronzer that you have. I'm gonna take the Becca bronzer in Ipanema Sun. And this is what I use on the rest of my face, but I just wanna warm this up just a slight bit more. I'm gonna take this little shading brush from Fenty Beauty and we're gonna go into this color right here called Genesis. It's like a dark turquoise color. And I'm just gonna place that right here. Okay, I have a lot of fallout going on, so I'm gonna take a little bit of powder. I kind of put a little dust under the eye to pick that up. I guess this color is too light for me, but we're not worried about that right now. Alright, and that should catch any of the fallout. Alright, so going back with that shade, just keep going with it. All right, that looks pretty good. Now we're gonna go in with this shade Saturn and kind of go over that toward the center of the eye. And then we're gonna take the shade Seafoam. We're gonna kind of put this up a bit. Actually, we're gonna take the blender brush and use that same shade, Seafoam. Since it's so like iridescent, we're just gonna kind of go over the bronzer we put down. All right, now we're gonna go into this kind of coppery-ish color called Nymph. And we're gonna put this right here. All right, now we're gonna take this gold shade and called Eros, and we're gonna go on the inner corner. All right, now we're gonna take Olympia again and swipe that on the bottom. I think I'm gonna go with Triumph on the bottom. Oh, sorry, not Triumph. We're gonna go with Seafoam and swipe that on the bottom. And actually, we're going with Saturn again on the bottom though. Take Triumph, and then we're gonna lighten up this inner corner of the lid. Now dust this away. And then we're gonna take Triumph again. We're gonna swipe that on the top, on the brow bone. I'm gonna take my color slide by Glossier in Hardcore Velvet and go into the waterline. I think I'm gonna extend this and make a little wing with it. So take Saturn. And we're gonna take this and just kind of extend it here. And now we're gonna go in with mascara. This is the Dior Pump in Volume Mascara. I'm gonna take this highlight from the Sweet Surprises palette, go down the bridge. And for lipstick, I'm gonna go in with the Huda Beauty. These are the matte lipsticks, and this is Staycation. And then for gloss, I think I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty glosses. This is Bilingual. Alright guys, this is the final makeup look. Very simple, very easy to do, and it's all with one palette, the Lime Crime Prelude Chroma palette. I definitely recommend this palette. I usually like all of Lime Crime's stuff. I've been using them for a while, for years now, and I don't know, I have yet to find something that I don't like from them, so definitely give it a shot if you've been thinking about picking it up. Yeah, this one's awesome. All the shades are great. But yeah, so thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching.